and you can open it. Good morning, guys. This is day 10 of our adventure, and today is the last day in Toronto and last day in Canada for the next 4 months. Today we're gonna go from Toronto to Dublin. It will be overnight flight, and it will be kind of complicated because both of us has a middle seat. This is Spadina Street. It's kind of touristic place as well. A lot of cafes over here, and also it's part of Chinatown, but in Toronto the Chinatown not looks really like Chinatown in New York, for example. And also here on the right side, if we will turn in couple streets from here, you will see Kensington Market. It's very touristic attraction for bars, cafes, and party as well. Like, it's definitely way more Chinese restaurant than in other parts of the city, but still it's not really look Chinese. I know somewhere there is some monument, statue, and maybe temple, but it's hidden from the main street. Let's go and take a quick look on Kensington Market, okay?
Yeah, we can do that. Actually, it's still very early. Let's see if it's open.
And the main street of this Kensington Market called Augusta Street, and it's right here. I don't think it's a good point to show the Kensington Market right now, because it's completely different from whatever it should be, right?
Yeah, we should have take a look on this Saturday or Sunday
Or evening, yeah, so we will still add this part to the video just to show you, but it's different now. Finally, some Chinese architecture in Chinatown of Toronto. Pretty cool building. Groceries in Canada crazy expensive, but if you're gonna go here to Chinatown, you will save a lot. For example, compared to supermarket price, this kind of 4 cucumber will cost you $3, but here 8 for $1. And the tomatoes is 79 cents per pound, which is crazy because in supermarket it starts from $2 per pound in a good discount. Here strawberry, 2 boxes for $3, but in supermarket 1 box starts from $4 with really good discount. This blackberry, 1 box for $1, which is really crazy. The grapes is very expensive in supermarket. It starts from $4-5 per pound in good deal, but here is only $2 for pound. The nectarine is $1 for pound, is also very cheap. And apples here, the apples in supermarket starts from $2 for pound in a good discount, but here those one cost $1 only. And whole watermelon is only $4, but in supermarket it will cost $10 and more. So if you wanna save, came to Chinatown.
Here on Dundas Street between University and Spadina Avenue, you can see this huge building. It's Art Gallery of Ontario. If you love art and you have couple hours, you should definitely see this.
And right across the main entrance of Art Gallery, you can see the Harry Potter store. If you're a fan of this movie and these books, you definitely should come here as well. Here is a lot of merchandise from the movie. street called Yorkville Avenue. It's located close to Yonge Street and go parallel with Bloor Street. This is one of the most fanciest streets which we know in Toronto. A lot of expensive hotels, fancy restaurants, expensive boutique here. And always it's very clean, green, a lot of flowers. So it's good to walk here as well. And we're done with Toronto right now. We will go to our friend's place to pack backpacks and off to the airport. See you there. Finally, we arrived at Toronto Pearson Airport. We have some time to pass security and we will fly to Dublin tonight. On this flight, even with the cheapest ticket, we have checked baggage and personal item. The personal item is from the top counter and it's very small backpack like this. But we also have this kind of backpack which is barely fit in checked bag. And it's one and there is the second one. And sometimes we have the tickets only with ultra low budget price, only with this personal item, and you definitely can't fit it here at all, and it's only one for me, one for her. But as I told you a couple videos before, we have some life hack for it. It's right here. I'm gonna show you just a little. It's this kind of pockets and you can fill all of them to avoid this checked baggage. And on the next flight, I think we will fill it and you'll see it better.
Security is done as well as day 10.
Right now we're gonna have kind of long flight and see you tomorrow guys in Dublin. Bye.
Bye.